Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study about resonance. Resonance means it is a special type of forced vibration. The last class we studied about forced vibration. Forced vibration means a body vibrates by an external force. That means if you draw the graph of that forced vibration, its amplitude will be varies or its amplitude will be different. Suppose if you draw a graph of forced vibration, it is the graph, that means irregular amplitude in all the cases. Can you follow me? Here we are studying about a special type of forced vibration. If anyone asks what is resonance, then we can simply say that it is a type of forced vibration. It is a type of forced vibration. In the text, you have a lengthy definition about this resonance. So here, I am saying that lengthy definition as simple points. Number one, what is resonance? The first point, resonance means it is a special type of forced vibration. Can you follow me? Forced vibration means, suppose if we have a body, suppose this is our body, we want to or we wish to apply some force on this body so that this body should vibrate. That means I am applying an external force. Then we are applying an external periodic force. We are applying an external periodic force on a body. Second part, first one, it is a type of forced vibration and applying an external periodic force. We are applying an external periodic force. Actually, we are studying or we are going to understand what is the term resonance. Firstly, we are saying resonance means it is a special case of forced vibration or a special type of forced vibration. And secondly, we are saying applying an external periodic force. The frequency of this applying external periodic force, that means we are giving an external force on a body. The frequency of that external periodic force. The frequency of that external periodic force. Suppose frequency F. Here I am saying frequency of the external force should be equal to frequency of the external force. Frequency of the external force should be equal to the natural frequency of the body. That means you have to remember we are giving an external periodic force on a vibrating on a body. The frequency of the external periodic force should be equal to the natural frequency of the body. Okay, can you follow me? That means here we are applying an external force on a body. The frequency of that external force should be equal to the natural frequency of the body. Okay, can you follow me? I am saying again. Resonance means it is a special case of forced vibration on which an external periodic force is applied on the body. The frequency of the external periodic force is equal to the natural frequency of the vibrating body. Okay, that is the third condition. First one we are saying it is a special case of forced vibration. And we are applying an external periodic force on it. That is the second point. And the frequency of that external periodic force should be equal to the natural frequency of the body. That is the third point. Natural frequency of the body. Then the body starts to vibrate with varying amplitude or increased amplitude. Can you follow me? That means then the body will start to vibrate with increasing amplitude. Okay? Can you follow me? Resonance means, it's very important question. There is 100% guarantee for this question for the board examination. Resonance means it is a special case of forced vibration and we are applying an external periodic force on a body. Then the body starts to vibrate with increasing amplitude, but there should be a condition. That means the frequency of the external force should be equal to the natural frequency of the vibrating body. Can you follow me? It's a very important question. What is resonance? Listen one more. Just listen once more. Resonance means it is a special case of forced vibration when the frequency of an external applying periodic force is equal to the natural frequency of the vibrating body. Then the body starts to vibrate or begins to vibrate with an increased amplitude. This phenomena is called resonance. Can you follow me? Again listen. It is very important, so I am saying this topic many times. Resonance. In the textbook there is a lengthy definition, so it is easy to learn are splitted terms. Firstly, we have to say that means resonance means it is a special case of forced vibration. When we apply an external periodic force on a body, then the frequency of the external force is equal to the natural frequency of the vibrating body. Then the body starts to vibrate with increased amplitude. This property is called resonance. The vibrations with increased amplitude are called resonant vibrations. Can you follow me? Very, very important point. You have to study very well. Here, we are going to explain an experiment to understand the term resonance. That is, here we have a rubber band PQ. Four pendulums A, C, B, D are attached in that rubber band at different places. Here the length of A and B, pendulum number A and pendulum number B are the same. D has the maximum length, C has the minimum length. Can you follow me? D is much longer than other three pendulums. Okay, it is very clear from the diagram. What will happen if we vibrate or force an external force is giving to the pendulum number A? We can observe the pendulum number A starts as a forced vibration. That means we are giving an external force. This A and B have the same length. So the energy is transferred. All other three pendulums will vibrate and B will also vibrate with the same frequency of A. That means of the natural frequency of external force applied or equal to the frequency of the external force applied. That means B will shows a resonance because both have the same length. That means firstly we are giving a forced vibration, then A starts to move, then it will comes in natural vibration case, that is similar amplitude. The same time B also will comes in similar amplitude. And C and D are also vibrating. Here you have to understand, here the energy is transferring. Okay, just you have to read that example from the text. Here you have to understand one thing. Here C is the shorter pendulum. That pendulum's natural frequency is higher than A, B and D. And D is the longer pendulum, its natural frequency is less than A, B and C. Okay, you have to read that experiment. No need to study, just understand. In the text, the page number 160, this example is given. And there are a lot of examples for resonance. Suppose while we starting a motorbike. Firstly we are kicking, then we are giving some accelerator, then the bike starts to vibrate. Sometimes you feel a rattling sound while starting a motorbike, and we are giving without changing the gear, that means the gear is at neutral. You are giving some accelerator, then the bike or that motorbike shows a rattling sound, that type of sound. That is actually resonance. And then another, suppose the military troops, you already know military troops are going always in marching style. That means all the jawans, that means all the soldiers, foot moves in similar way while marching. Their foot will move in the same way, same time of duration, etc. Suppose a military troop is marching on. Suppose a suspension bridge is there. Then the captain of the troop will advise his soldiers, please stop your marching. Can you follow me? This example is already given in the question, page number 162. That means a military troop is wish to cross a suspension bridge. Suspension bridge means that is in Punalur. Okay, just for your knowledge I told. Suppose a military troop wish to cross a suspension bridge, then the captain of the troop will advise his soldiers to stop marching, because all the soldiers giving same force to vibration and same external force on the bridge. Then what will happen? The bridge will also start to vibrate with the frequency of the external force of the marching or the soldiers' forced vibration. The bridge also starts to vibrate with its natural frequency. Then there is a chance for break that bridge. So the captain is always advising to stop marching. Okay? Please go through the other questions. That means tuning fork is also an example. Suppose in laboratory, I hope you already experienced such a item. There is columns, some tubes are there, tuning fork and water columns, and you already seen the musical instrument, that is tumblers with the water with the different height levels. Then we can hear the music. Some experts make an excellent music with that tumbler and the stick. Okay, so you have to read that examples. Suppose one thing you have to remember: if any question comes from this part related with the resonance, suppose tuning fork, musical instruments, rattling sound of bikes, suspension bridge crossing by the military troops, anything. If you don't know the answer, please don't worry. Just you have to write. It is due to resonance. Simply you can write it is due to resonance. Can you follow me? Then you will get definitely 1 mark. Okay? Study well. We can continue the chapter the next day. Okay? Thank you very much.